Mama sama nat balam dre ada ini supplement to jaga mama sama Manipur government ki makada lei ba kabarong to kudai start ko ro mo ni kana kana do sing mayam ki struggle point ko sing sa ki hotok chen hai jage ko sai ka ro na ta expansion ka na ta ado ki sa hotok chen ka dong yam struggle to sing this is one of the biggest hurdle about to ni the sing to support in lei ko do sagi ahan badan sagi kano idea stage ka na idea am le bankable idea start kadi you can get easily get 3 lakhs grant in under startup Manipur idea stage adagi head go ko ai ka ba ja hol batung da kidi sai ro grass ka pangris na I think pro no ki maya ne mana pangris sigi sigi startup ki review stage da mai to na dum sai hangbi ki pam do rajna to da palam dehara ka su sai local context le ba mayang support system do ado ang supplement to jeli ko man simal le de ado ya mana mu ai ni ka ba cham cham na to jo ni sai dia tu ka kai to ko ka CMESS na Ministers Entrepreneurship Support Scheme mana lak tarao ko nom tha bi ai ado manu dar sai ki 30% amna grant na pangni ado ga amount ba 70% na bank ki loan re lo do man support system loi le hai di ma'am si pangge lauke ada kadi number 1 se family ma'am adum start how ro ma'am ki yau ki de ko ade how ge na kambi di ba satro wi ba satro wi ba aspiring startup or aspiring entrepreneur hajar ke ko ma'am ki yau ki di mai to kasi ma'am si sai ki hajar ki ba kano bo idea stage ko ro revenue stage ko ro मतलब any kano ministry ki makada le scheme ma'am ko ro si lauke ko de ka kadi udam recession na ma'am ya am to ke ko ta ka biyo ne kra ta ka pi de ta ka tab su yaw de oi sat yaw ni na tra mai to na sigi sat sing si da sing sing bi ba to de so yaw bi bala si ke do bi na yaw da ka na ni gi wa ka na lak bi na tro then being a student of management adum ai ni ga sa ki si do ra government job ka thi da bi da sagi particular funding sagi employment isana generate to jara de then other than that I am the marmor ga mi khara maki kana hokta ai employment ko kai generate to ge ki wakal on the lak bi u ke aje ni ke do saka tabak let's give it secondary let's focus on sagi entrepreneur or startup ki kana sida focus p shape adum sida di sigi plus point na ke na ga di asana ta na thingbi na le ge se na asana ta na kanam na ti ba ai na to ge sima ona ba in la gya da adum choi na mak pak mai pak ki jang wang na le ro dum ba ka mo ne opportunity ma ne sima dum
Sorry, saya jauh tentang cerita biro.
Ya, matam ketin mana? Thank you. Saya mohon, I sama su, saya lak saya jauh gitu. Nusi sedang ujar kita satra mana? Pada nam universiti ke ujar pada itu, pada cil lagi su, mai jauh tapi ya ini waktu nanti si ujar pada semua lak saya ni suai kange hari ini saya tu jauh lak sebenarnya. Satra moi na hamjeri bakra to ma'am share to jaruge then at the same time kari ba he bakram sum tamjaru ge hamuki so that ujeri ba thabak saigi MSME support pi ba facilitate to pi thabak le adona saigi being an entrepreneur worker so MSME worker so ai lecturing ba kan ta peso ta bida kari he ba tamjan ge to le ge to ko lo lakri ma'am le biyo then at the same time hari bo ma'am sai startup ko ro MSME ma'am ko ro hari ma'am ni facilitate to ko le jeri ba ko men employee ma o jera ga su sai ai sama su tam le pi ade so that I can serve the MSMEs better and in the best way adugi wa from the laksa ni to I want the lot of people ba question si then again thanks to Jai Paul mamang tu Jai Paul na ko ko na kasi tum topic se tum fix to ni tum assign to ni tum ya ngamni khan ba topic to ni tum but somewhat twisted ke no tin yaw re tum so adu da nei ha je tum challenging ke no ne na Dan kasi igual tayo, ito, binisita, BIO-ENTREPRENEURSHIP. Nagiging mamang mayam luxury entrepreneurship, MSME, dum luxury. Marak sa dati yung marak tayo sa agripreneurship ka, nagkasong kusan jari ko to. Ano gusto mo zaman, sige sita, combination ng BIO-ENTREPRENEURSHip na. Sige, kano sita, hoy, so ako matajar mo, tang in-depth ka na, mo itong may karamo. Si Manlere, atau ay bilin kaya pag-jari ko ito, ay gano'n ito, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Si ay gano'n, hindi videos na nga ako kaya rin.
Pristine northeastern region of India that comprises the states of Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Tripura, and Sikkim is full of potential. The sprawling rugged landscape constitutes about 8% of India's land and plays a pivotal part in India's emerging economy. Its ecology provides a perfect environment for the growth of horticulture, quality spices, medicinal and aromatic plants, while Assam leads in tea cultivation and Tripura, which is known as second rubber capital of India, and also grows the best quality pineapples. The northeast region is home to many in-demand and unique products such as dairy silk, muka silk, naga mirchi, and many handicrafts created out of sustainable natural fibers like bamboo and cane. The northeast also produces 65% of India's total bamboo, which is 20% of the total global bamboo production, with 99% of the border being international and access to the port of Chittagong in Bangladesh and the port of Sikri in Myanmar. The northeast region's geographical location gives the region an inherent trading advantage to tap the immense export potential to South Asian and other countries. MSMEs of the region play a crucial role by contributing to nearly 62% to the region's economy in terms of employment, output and exports. To give thrust to this area, Ministry of MSME has taken several measures to boost economy and employment scenario of the region. Under Scheme of Fund for Regeneration of Traditional Industries, Spurti, 85 clusters have been approved in Northeast region, benefiting the local artisans. Under Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, PMEGP, 1.14 lakh micro units have been assisted in NER, generating employment of about 7.59 lakh persons. Around 2.7 lakh enterprises registered from NER on Udyam portal have created employment to more than 23 lakh persons. A wide spectrum of entrepreneur-friendly schemes of ministry has given Northeast MSMEs a desirable entrepreneurial ecosystem, providing effective assistance at every step. Some existing notable schemes are promotion of MSMEs in NER and Sikkim, for entrepreneurship development, PMEGP, for first-generation entrepreneurs, CGT MSA, for credit assistance, SDP, for capacity and skill development, National SCSD Hub, for entrepreneurs of marginalized sections, Special Credit-Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme, for technological upgradation, SMAS, for SC/SD entrepreneurs, PMS, for assisting MSME enterprises in marketing their products through national and international exhibitions. With new initiatives, MSME sector is gaining the ground by tapping the natural resources, skilling the people, and popularizing the promotional schemes. The region is getting the necessary economic boost. As India travels through Amrit Kaal, the Northeast is well poised to become new growth engine, set to make robust contribution to $5 trillion target of country's economy.